One legal expert thinks Republican leaders will have a hard time convincing the court to side with them. Fox 47's Christiana Ford asked the dean of Cooley Law School to take a look at their argument.
The legal scholar I talked to today tells me that the disagreement between the governor and the state legislature is pretty technical, and the resolution may not come quick. The Michigan House and Senate moving forward with a lawsuit against Governor Gretchen Whitmer for extending the state of emergency without their consent.
They're asserting, in essence, that either she has gone beyond the powers that she has, or they're asserting that she has encroached into the legislative powers themselves.
This 166-page complaint accuses the governor of misusing the Emergency Powers of the Governor Act of 1945 and the Emergency Management Act of 1976 unconstitutionally.
I don't think it's a successful argument, but if you look at those statutes themselves, both of them give extremely broad powers to the governor. They cite For
General Michael McDaniel, dean of Cooley Law School, the question of the governor's authority dates back to the intent of the legislature.
There is no question that the legislature, through its formal actions in passing this law and enacting this law back in 1945, intended to give the broadest power possible to the governor to react in these type of circumstances.
General McDaniels adds the consent of the legislature component in the Emergency Management Act of 1976 is questionable.
It does not indicate in that act that that is the only avenue forward for the governor.
He also doesn't think the court resolution will be a speedy process.
I think that you may have a decision, in a short period of time from the Court of Claims, but that's not the end of it. On a matter of this magnitude, I would expect that would be held in abeyance until it goes up to the Supreme Court.
Reporting in Lansing, Christiana Ford, Fox 47.
The lawsuit has been assigned to Judge Cynthia Stevens, who was first appointed to the bench by former Democratic Governor Jennifer Granholm. We'll let you know what happens.